Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. This is the Runstar Professional Smart Body Scale. It comes with all 8 electrodes, 28 different body composition measurements. Let's unbox this thing here. I already have the app downloaded, just scan the QR code there. All right, here we go. Excellent packaging. Have a nice little instruction manual there. Lots of foam here. That's cool. Okay, kind of a little breakdown here down the steps to use this. All right, stand on it, register at the app, search device. Let's do all that. Check this thing out. I've never seen a scale quite like this before. What's that? That is super futuristic looking. I wonder what's in this little box here. Let's check this out. A little charging USB. There we go. USB-A to USB-C. Slippery when wet, so it's got the 4 electrodes there. And okay, this thing, oops, my goodness, sorry about that. You put your thumbs on here, put your hands on here, feet, and that's retractable. And it's gonna tell you all that. Very cool. I'm gonna go ahead and peel this off of here. That's pretty sweet. Getting started. Step on the signal. Okay, wow. Pretty impressive here, actually. Kind of excited to test out like all these different measurements and stuff and see what it's going to tell me about myself. Probably too fat would be my guess. But first impression looks pretty nifty. You step on it till the zeros come up. Okay, then we step on that, make sure we cover all that. Reach down and grab this, make sure your thumbs are on the contacts here and hold it down at a 45-degree angle. It's gonna start checking you out. The app's gonna have that little thing, do not move, on there as it shows on here also. Okay, so we have several different readouts here over the last week or so, and weight, BMI, went down a little, body fat went down a little bit, body water went up a little bit, so I tried to make a concerted effort to drink more water, and it was showed on here, so that's cool. Skeletal muscle, just a ton of different stuff here. I'm not super health conscious, so I don't keep track of all this stuff, but yeah, I also did like a kind of almost a 24-hour fast too, just to see what that would do, and it dropped the subcutaneous fat on that. So pretty sweet. It's very good, like metrics here, seems to be super reliable. It did seem to actually it made a difference. I was drinking more water and didn't really eat, and so just seemed to track that quite well. Just like that. There we go. Okay, friends, well, final thoughts on this scale with the app. I mean, both work in tandem quite well. The app was easy to set up, seems to track everything nicely. So I had like 3 or 4 days on there over a span of like about a week. And when I did drink more water and ate less, it seemed to track the results with that. The water content went up. So it seemed really accurate, all the metrics on there. Yeah, so if you're super health conscious, want to keep track of that stuff, I think this is a really excellent scale. A lot of detail, a lot of information on there, so you can kind of like do like a biohack or whatever to be more healthy. So anyways, my friends, excellent little scale. Thanks so much for watching this review. Hope it was helpful. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time.